Hi, my name is Catherine Went with Syscon, and thanks for taking a moment of your time. Today I wanted to talk with you about some changes that might be going on in your office that are creating some payroll emergencies for a couple of our clients, and they are preventable, so I wanted to tell you what happened and give you a couple of guidelines so that you don't end up in that situation as well. So a couple months ago, we did have some payroll emergency calls, kind of a panic for our customers. They had to get payroll out, and then an emergency for our team. We wanted to be there and help them. Each of them was preventable, so here's what happened. Our FIT system, which is Field Integrated Time System that is fully integrated with Sage 100 Contractor, communicates with Sage, which lives on a server of some kind, physical or virtual. To communicate, it goes through an internet provider and often a firewall. And if either of these devices or services change, the communication is interrupted. So if you're replacing a server, physical or virtual, or if you're changing hosting providers, or if you're replacing a firewall, or if you're changing internet providers, in any one of those cases, we would want you to be sure to talk with us before that scheduled plan event so that we can avoid some interruptions for the payroll processing. Scheduling these ahead of time is super simple. All we need to know is what's going to happen and when. We'll coordinate that, and then we can do the configuration changes so that the communication route stays connected, do a little bit of testing, and we often like to do these on a non-payroll day so that they can be fully tested and ready to go out. The last thing I'll mention, since we're talking about servers, SQL Server 2016 is end of life, and that means it's 10 years old, by the way. Sage sent out an update that they were going to have it be incompatible with any of their products with that deadline of August 31st, 2025. And Microsoft's deadline for end-of-life support, extended support, is June 30th, 2026. So if any of your servers are running SQL Server 2016, time to get that resolved so that you don't have any interruptions in the software that you're using. So that's it. Any changes? We'd love to stay informed with you so that we don't have any unexpected interruptions and your team can get things out on time. Thanks for your time and have a wonderful rest of your week.